Cat Mining parts and service are made to last. It's a difference customers can depend on. Reliability from one life cycle to the next. The proof is found in each repair and replacement, in preventative maintenance, on-site support, and products made to fight downtime. Designed to work and wear as a system, Cat Mining parts are as coordinated as the support you get from your dealer. It's all here to streamline and empower your mine site to help you decide how you do your best work. Find reliability with Cat Mining parts and service.